Hey Nikon fans, just putting together a quick video for those of you who, like me, are in the unfortunate predicament of needing to replace the battery door. For me, it was literally a freak accident. I was popping out the battery. It came out and somehow it dropped that way and it literally cracked off the hinge from the battery doors. As you can see there, one of the side hinges broke off and there's no way of gluing that back perfectly. So I reached out to Nikon about getting both a replacement door and as well as this bottom plate because I thought I cracked that, but apparently I think I just needed the door. This replacement door runs about $17.43 on their website, US dollars, and it ships in this very thin bubble envelope. But the problem is that they charge $9.50 because I think they use UPS, so that's more than half of the cost of the door itself, but whatever. Anyways, so let's get to it. So this is assuming your door is already removed. Basically, you need to angle this at roughly a 60 degree, and you're just going to hook one side in, and then you're going to snap the other end in. And that's really it. That's it. All done. Now, one note is that this door is non-returnable on their website. It's pretty much all final sales. So in case you make the wrong choice or you ended up not needing it, you will not be able to return this item. But if you do find yourself needing a replacement, that's the process and just reach out to them. It's pretty straightforward. Hope you found this video useful. Thanks again for watching.